Clean water is not only a valuable resource, but a human right. In the American Southwest, clean water can be hard to come by for Native peoples, especially on reservation lands located near the runoff from uranium mining. Even in places as wealthy as Switzerland, high concentrations of metals in wastewater samples triggered a mystery to find their origin. It turned out to be a consequence of metal gear production, which fuels the tradition of fine Swiss watchmaking. Wherever you live, the future will require innovation in order to provide clean water. As the world transitions from coal-fired energy to new energy systems, we will need to rely on technology that can remove metals and contaminants from wastewater. As we move from gas to electric vehicles, which rely on valuable metals for components and battery systems, we will also need to treat the ever-increasing concentration of metals flowing into wastewater from electronic manufacturing and recycling. Prescient Technologies offers a novel way to address these current and future industry problems, deriving value from wastewater using our natural microbial approach. Prescient's natural process uses a living catalyst in an innovative membrane biofilm reactor to remove harmful contaminants and recover valuable metals from wastewater. As water exits a mine, power plant, or recycling facility, it flows through our modules. Within, our membrane is like a tiny straw. The surface is covered with bacteria that feed on hydrogen gas. Hydrogen moves through the wall of our straw in a process we call bubble-free hydrogen delivery. As the bacteria oxidize the hydrogen, they pull out harmful contaminants. The biofilm then collects valuable metals, transforming wastewater into a resource and thereby mitigating the cost of treatment. Not only are precious metals removed from the water, they can then be harvested in the form of incredibly valuable nanoparticles. One estimate pegs this value at over 100 times the cost of the system after only 1 year. While our process yields regulatory compliant discharge water, it is also recovering revenue that would otherwise be thrown away. Profitability is increased by recovery in the recycling industry, which is currently growing at 5% year over year. Increasingly stringent regulatory requirements for the domestic coal industry can easily be met. Globally, coal is still a dominant player, which offers another international market for this technology. In the US, water from closed mines could be profitably treated to protect us from catastrophic releases. Our system is modular and can be scaled up and configured to fit any customer need. Whether you're an investor searching for an environmentally innovative tech with a high ROI, an operator looking for a cost control method to meet compliance, or an energy producer seeking a way to increase profitability, you owe it to yourself to consider Prescient Technologies. Prescient Technologies, using prescient technology to protect our precious resources.